The Indian creatives turning e-waste into art, raising awareness of the need to recycle electronic devices. Have you ever wondered what happens to your mobile phones and laptops after you throw them out to make way for a newer model? The United Nations estimates that the world produces more than 50 million tons of e-waste every year, most of which ends up in landfill. According to its latest global e-waste monitor, India is the third top producer of e-waste in the world, generating more than 3 million tons per annum. E-waste in Indian landfill goes on to contaminate soil and groundwater, affecting food supply systems and water sources, according to a study in the Indian Journal of Community Medicine. Thankfully, the country has a new breed of artists who are converting these discarded items, from mobile phones to motherboards, and speakers to old televisions, into large murals and artworks. Over the past quarter of a century, Bengaluru artist Vishwanath Malabadi Davangere has also long worked with e-waste, a passion that was sparked while he was working at an IT firm. The son of famed sculptor and painter D.M. Shamhu, Vishwanath Malabadi likes to dismantle old laptops, floppy disks, speakers, medical equipment, set-top boxes and mobile phones and reassemble them into birds, animals, flowers and plants. After retirement, he started pursuing this more seriously and started selling his creations across the world. One of his most outstanding works is a piece inspired by Vincent van Gogh's The Starry Night, using upcycled resistors on wood, which was later coated with clear epoxy resin. Other key creations include a robotic Egyptian bust with glowing red eyes, a Milky Way made from cables and keyboard keys, and a Vastu Purusha mandala, an ancient Indian metaphysical architecture and design planning system, crafted with deconstructed computer components. Vishwanath Malabadi starts his projects by dismantling e-waste devices at a micro level, extracting minute parts and segregating them into separate bins based on their size, texture, shape and color. To streamline the design process, he also digitizes each piece, creating a digital repository that facilitates the creation of 2 to 3 alternative mock-up designs. I find myself captivated by the extraordinary textures, vibrant colors and diverse shapes offered by electronic components such as resistors and PCBs. The remarkable texture of keyboard mylar sheets, capacitors, SFPs, copper coils, colorful wires and inductors, to name just a few. The possibilities seem endless when it comes to exploring the vast array of materials available from e-waste, he says. Through my creative process, I breathe new life into old and forgotten gadgets, showcasing their hidden beauty in unique and imaginative ways. By giving e-waste a second chance, I aim to raise awareness about the environmental impact of electronic disposal and promote sustainable practices. With each artwork, I strive to convey a powerful message about the importance of upcycling and reducing electronic waste. By showcasing the artistic potential of these discarded materials, I hope to inspire others to reconsider their own consumption habits and make more environmentally conscious choices, says Vishwanath Malabadi, who today has a collection of more than 600 eco-art objects.